Dark circles making you look tired? Don't worry. Today I'll show you simple and effective home remedies to banish them for good. Stay tuned till the end for bonus tips. Why do we get dark circles? Before we jump into the remedies, let's understand why dark circles appear. Lack of sleep, stress, dehydration, genetics, and excessive screen time can all contribute to them. Remedy 1: Cucumber slices. First up, good old cucumber slices. Their cooling effect helps reduce puffiness and hydrates the delicate under eye skin. Just place chilled cucumber slices over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Remedy 2: Cold tea bags. Next, try cold tea bags. Green or chamomile tea works best. Refrigerate used tea bags for 30 minutes, then place them under your eyes for 10 minutes to reduce inflammation and brighten the skin. Remedy 3: Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing and moisturizing properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel under your eyes before bedtime to nourish the skin and reduce dark circles. Remedy 4: Potato juice. Potato juice contains natural bleaching agents. Grate a potato, extract the juice, and apply it under your eyes using a cotton pad. Leave it for 10 minutes before rinsing. Remedy 5: Almond oil and vitamin E. Almond oil and vitamin E are excellent for reducing dark circles. Mix a drop of almond oil with vitamin E and massage it under your eyes before bed. Wake up to nourished skin. Bonus tips for preventing dark circles. Here are some bonus tips. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep, drink plenty of water, reduce screen time, and include vitamin-rich foods in your diet. Prevention is key. That's it for today. Try these simple remedies and say goodbye to dark circles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more